Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to solve question number 1 of exercise 3.3, chapter 3, Understanding Quadrilateral. Hope you all have gone through the 3 parts of introductory lecture. If not, please go through it once more so that you can understand the sums clearly. Starting with question number 1. Question number 1 says, given a parallelogram ABCD, complete each statement along with the definition or property used. They have given us the parallelogram ABCD and along with some statements are given. We have to complete these statements giving the property we used. Property which I have explained you in introductory lecture, we have to use it over here. So first is AD is equal to what? Since it is given ABCD is a parallelogram, therefore AD is one side will be equal to the opposite side, that is BC. So we will write AD is equal to BC, and we will write because opposite sides of parallelogram are equal, which you have gone through the introductory lecture. Again I am telling you, if you have not gone through the introductory lecture, please go through it. It is very, very important. Now question number 2, angle DCB. Let us see where is DCB. Angle DCB, that means this angle, will be equal to which angle? Will be equal to this angle DAB. Why? Angle DAB, because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. This is the property of parallelogram. Now OC is equal to what? Let us see where is OC. OC, here it is. Length OC will be equal to length OA. So I will write OC is equal to OA. Why? Because diagonals of parallelogram bisects each other. We know that OA is equal to OC and OB is equal to OD. I have explained you, if it is a parallelogram, then diagonals bisect each other. Now fourth one, measure of angle DAB plus measure of angle CDA. DAB, this angle, plus CDA, this angle. If you add them, what will be the result? You know that in introductory lecture I have told you that sum of adjacent angles is equal to 180 degree. So I will write 180 degree, and reason I will write because sum of adjacent angles is supplementary. Supplementary means 180 degree. So very easy question, but if you have gone through the introductory lecture, then only. Hope you have understood this lecture. If not, please go through it once more and also go through the introductory lecture so that you can understand properly. We will meet with question number 2 in new lecture. Till then, take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.